Hi, today I have something a little bit different to show you. Something to add interest or ambience to your home. And I'm also going to make them smart, so stick around. Hi, welcome to Rich Man Poor Tech, and this video is on about lighting. Now, one of the advantages of being a tech YouTuber is that sometimes you get offered items to be shown in one of your videos to help brands get greater visibility. Now, I usually say no, but on this occasion I like the look of what was on offer. Now, if you've watched and subscribed to any of my videos before, then you may know that one of my favourite aspects of electrics is lighting and smart home tech. Nothing can alter the mood of a room or outdoor space like lighting can. So what I have here to show you is from GlobaLink, and it's a festoon of 30 LED globe lights for both indoor or outdoor use. Now, links to the prices, as always, in the description below. Now, I think they look kind of groovy with their rich warm LEDs, creating a visual warmth and interest into the area they're placed in. Now, I particularly like the way that the LEDs show through these clear glass bulbs, giving it both a rustic and a modern look at the same time. Now, whether you place them indoor around something like a bed, on a shelf, over a mantelpiece in your lounge, or what I think is more suitable by placing them outdoor around something like a barbecue or seating area around your patio. Now, as we're coming into spring at the time of filming, and as they are IP65, I've chosen to place them outside to make most of those evenings. And I've also chosen to make them smart at the same time, so more on that in a bit. Now, each bulb is approximately 1 watt and it's about 30 centimeters or a foot apart from each other. And the bulb holders have little clips here to make for easy installation. Now, I've already had them up and I've taken them back down for this video. But because they come with a traditional 3-pin transformer plug here in the UK, they can be easily plugged into a smart plug like this one from TP-Link, allowing them to be easily controlled by a voice assistant such as an Amazon Echo, Google Nest or an Apple HomePod. So easy, even my mum can do it. Okay, if I set up the plug for her first, that is. Now, whether that's just telling them to come on or off, or by setting timers or routines or smart triggers. And just for your knowledge, from the plug to the first bulb is 3 meters, and you can also buy some 3 meter G40 extensions if needed. Now, they also do come with 3 spare bulbs. Now, this version that I have here is the 11.7 30 bulb version, but they also do a larger 17.7 50 bulb version if you require even more. Now, setting up hardly took me any time at all. I just plugged them into my smart socket and then into a socket outlet and arranged. Now, I like them, but what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to know more about smart plugs, then click on this link. And if you want to know more about smart voice assistants, then please click on this one. Thanks for watching.